In the education world today, applications are all around us. We live, learn, collaborate, and communicate through applications. Or you can call them apps for short. Apps can be installed on your computer. These are sometimes called desktop apps. Since they run on your computer itself, you may not even need an internet connection to use them. Some apps can also run inside a web browser like Edge or Chrome. With these web apps, the work is often done by a remote computer over the internet. It's important to know which you're using. Some desktop apps have more features and fewer issues than their web app counterparts. Apps are enhancing our lives more and more through their use on mobile devices like iPads. Here in Polk County Public Schools, we think of two categories of apps. The first is approved apps. These have been vetted by the district's Pure Committee and are generally considered safe and appropriate for classroom use. The other category is supported apps. These go a few steps further. Every supported app comes with agreements from the app vendor to protect our student data. There is also on-demand assistance from trained personnel right here in the district. Help is available when you need it. Let's take a look at some of the supported apps enjoyed by students and teachers in Polk County Public Schools. We'll begin by looking at the app that holds the door open for all the others. ClassLink is our single sign-on solution, or SSO. Find it on the Hub. Acting as a bookmark page that automatically logs you into websites and web apps, teachers and students only need to enter their username and password once. Users can add their own links, and school network managers can add custom links for the school. The key in the corner of an icon means that single sign-on is available through ClassLink. Schoology is our district's official learning management system, or LMS. It allows curriculum specialists to deliver resources to teachers. Teachers can create online classrooms. Students have a single platform to find and turn in work. Assignments and assessments can be given that link directly to our Focus gradebook. Schoology also integrates well with Office suites from Microsoft and Google, as well as other educational applications. It truly is a classroom in the cloud. Microsoft 365 includes desktop apps, mobile apps, as well as web apps. You may think of more familiar apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, but remember that every teacher and student can receive email via Outlook. We also use OneNote, a powerful collaborative note-taking app that can revolutionize organization inside and outside the classroom. Forms for formative assessments, taking virtual attendance, or even creating choose-your-own-adventure activities. Teams makes communication and collaboration easier, but can also allow classes to take interactive field trips without even leaving the room. And OneDrive ties all these apps together with 1 terabyte of cloud storage. All of these apps can be installed for free on 5 student and teacher computers and 5 tablets and phones. For smart apps, teachers sign in using Microsoft and their polk-fl.net accounts. If needed, students sign in using Microsoft and their mypolkschools.net accounts. Why? Well, Smart Learning Suite has 2 main parts. The desktop app, Smart Notebook, is a teacher companion to our smart boards in the classroom. It looks and works a lot like PowerPoint, but can turn simple presentations into interactive and even gamified lessons. Smart Learning Suite Online takes it to the web, allowing teachers to create lessons, handouts, and individual or group work for students, which can be accessed online on any device through a web app, even when class isn't in session. Google Workspace, known locally as MyPolk Apps, is an easy-to-use suite of Office applications. Both students and teachers log in using an @mypolkschools.net username. It has familiar web-based tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, which do the same jobs as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, free to the district and all online. Our Google Drive gives virtually unlimited cloud storage. You may also want to try out some of the less familiar Google Workspace apps, like Google Forms, which is a great way to do formative assessments, take virtual attendance, or create choose-your-own-adventure stories. Google Sites gives teachers and students a way to create portfolios, publish work, or keep the community informed about what's happening in school. And Google Drawings is used for graphic organizers and other standards-based creation activities. Tell me a story. We know many streaming services are blocked for students on our devices and networks. Safari Montage is here to help fill in that gap. It allows teachers to search for standards-based video content and other interactive content. Teachers can upload their own content, create playlists, and link educational videos from YouTube for students to access in the classroom or at home. Since most of the videos in Safari Montage are stored on district servers, it saves network bandwidth for everyone. And the helpful instructional technology TRSTs of School Technology Services are here to assist you in using all these apps for the benefit of our students.